Hi friends, my name is Dr. Rachit Saxena and I'm a senior consultant in cardiac surgery at Narayana Super Specialty Hospital, Gurgaon. In this video, I will tell you about congenital heart diseases. Congenital heart disease is a group of diseases which is commonly referred to as hole in the heart. Actually, it is a broad spectrum of diseases which ranges from some deficiencies in the septation of the heart, that is a hole in the heart which can be located at different places. There are other group of diseases in which there is malformation in the formation of valves inside the heart. Then there is another group of diseases in which there is an obstruction to the flow of blood from the heart to the lungs, or there is obstruction to the flow of blood returning from the lungs to the heart. All these diseases are grouped under the category of congenital heart diseases. It is very important for us to be able to identify these diseases at the earliest. The usual symptoms of these diseases are bluish discoloration of the children, especially of their nails and lips, especially when they are doing any physical activity. For smaller children, this physical activity might be as trivial as crying. So if you find that when the baby cries, his nails, his lips turn blue, that means there is a possibility of having a congenital heart disease. Other symptoms include having frequent respiratory tract infections which get manifested in the form of fever or pneumonia, feeding issues, that the baby is not able to take proper feeds, lot of perspiration, or baby not gaining weight. All these could be a manifestation of an underlying heart disease. What is important is that we should be able to identify these diseases timely, because in 95% of the cases, these diseases can be completely cured and the baby can lead a normal life only if it is diagnosed and treated at the right moment. Therefore, what is important is that whenever you see a child who has these symptoms, he should be taken to a pediatrician and a thorough investigation and diagnosis should be established. Do not rely on the myths which are prevalent in the community that these children have to first grow up and then only the surgery has to be done. It is definitely not like that. It all depends on the kind of deformity, on the kind of disease which exists. There are some diseases which have to be treated below the age of 1 year, because it is only then that we can achieve a good outcome and the baby can lead a normal life. And therefore, this decision of when the baby has to be operated, it should be done only after discussing a cardiac surgeon or a pediatric cardiologist. And therefore, friends, let me tell you that if you have a child who has any of these manifestations and is suspected to be having a congenital heart disease, please don't be scared of going to a cardiac surgeon. Discuss with your cardiac surgeon and get the treatment done at an appropriate time for a good long-term outcome. Thank you.